Hi everyone, my name is Margaret. Welcome to the third roller coaster STEM kit video. Hopefully you've watched the previous video where I explained the various connector pieces. Now we'll be going over the rod pieces in your roller coaster kit. First up, we have the blue rods. These blue rods are the longest ones in your kit, so I suggest saving it for either the sides of the base or for attaching the tracks to the base. So you connect the rods to the connectors by pressing the rod into the indent, like so. So you take the connector and it should snap on. Alright, next up we have the purple rods, and these purple rods can also be used for the edges of the base. Now we have the red rods. These red rods are perfect for the middle of the base. You don't want your roller coaster to be too wide, so these red rods provide suitable space. So when you're building your base, you can use these red rods for the middle, and then you can attach the other rods to go out from the sides. Like so. Next up we have these gray rods, and they can be connected to the blue connector so that you can extend your base three-dimensionally. So if you have your blue connectors, two of them slid together like so, then you can use the gray rod to build up. And similarly, we also have the yellow rods that are slightly smaller than the gray rods, and they can also be used to build your base up three-dimensionally. It just depends on what you prefer. And finally, we also have these black rods that are the smallest ones that you have in the kit, and they can be used in whatever way you'd like. However, I'd suggest mainly using them to connect the roller coaster track to your base. So you can use these yellow rods and connect them to the red rod, and then I'll go more in depth in the next video, but this yellow rod can then connect to the track. Alright, so like I said, make sure to tune in to the next video where I'll be going over the track and the roller coaster car.